Well, good morning from the Practical Classics Classic Car and Restoration Show here at the NEC in Birmingham. We're in early doors. We're still getting set up. Look, Steph's only just got her merchandise, so it's all chaotic. Steph also having some slight traumas, which is why that isn't a Marina. But Betty has made it to the show. Betty has developed a flat tire overnight, so that's exciting because Hubnut. And Betty is meeting Matt's Ford Crown Vic. So actually Betty's looking quite small today. We're here in Hall 4. If you look for this huge banner, if you're coming to the show, this is the Classic Cars, Classic Car Weekly and Practical Classics stand. And this is quite fitting because my career on as a motoring journalist began on Classic Car Weekly in 2007. So quite nice, but they're next door. It's like old times. I'm going to give you a really quick run through the show. But there's a lot to show you that will be coming in forthcoming videos. I don't want to give too much away just now, but this is the Carol Nash barn find section, possibly one of my favorite areas of the show. Look at this Mark V Escort estate. So yeah, we'll be looking at all that stuff. We're going to head straight over to Hall 5. This is Hall 4. We've got Hall 3 there, which is mostly cars for sale, I think, and auctions. We're going to have a nose around those, but yeah, lots of people in, busy polishing away early in the morning here. So yeah, we've got car club stands going all the way down here into Hall 4, but there are trade stands as well. I may need to see if anyone's got a tyre machine for repairing tyres, because I apparently have a completely knackered tyres. Do you think Draper Tools might have one? If you're watching Draper Tools, I may need assistance because yeah, Betty appears to have a puncture. So yeah, we'll make our way over to Hall 4 and yeah, it's going to be great. I'm really looking forward to it. It's good to be back, and it's good to be featuring cars that you love and that I love. And that's the great thing about this show. It has a really good mix of more humble classics. Not that sporty Fords are particularly humble these days. They're becoming very, very valuable. It's a lovely selection of cars here. It's the Welsh Ford Owners Club. Borada, everybody. Have a good show. And here is Hall 5, probably my favourite hall of the show. Whether it's the NEC or this show, Hall 5 tends to be the best. Nice to know I haven't got the dirtiest car in show. But yeah, let's go and see what we can find. Hall 5, they've got a live stage over in the corner, so there'll be lots of stuff going on there. Look at that lovely Maestro van over there, and a bagged Mercedes, Ferrari Dino GTS. Don't mind a Dino, actually. I've got the Jaguar Drivers Club's Verus. This is the XJS Club. And then we've got the Jaguar Drivers Club next to it, and a partially dismantled Porsche 924 here. And yeah, look at this S-Type that is very barn find. That's lovely. Betty looked like that when she got here to the show. She was absolutely filthy. Nice selection of Daimlers as well. But right over here in the far corner, almost as far away as I can get in the show, we should find a certain little Reliant Fox. So let's go and see if we can find her over here. Oh, look, another, it's a pair of Talbot Sunbeam Lotuses. I've been corrected, they're not Lotus Sunbeams, it's Talbot Sunbeam Lotus. And yeah, it reminds me very much of my friends over in Wales. Channel I've forgotten the name of because my brain is fried. Whiteland Restorations, there we go. Here is Foxanne. She was clean when I left home. She now very much isn't. I might have to crank the front end up a stand. She seems to have settled down a bit on her new dampers at the front, but she's handling nicely. She drove very well on the way over here, albeit burning slightly alarming amounts of smoke. But yeah, Reliant Owners Club. Foxanne is here because she wouldn't be here without the very, very kind assistance of the Reliant Owners Club. They have been absolutely superb during the restoration of this car. So feel free, if you're at the show, come and see Foxanne here in the corner of Hall 5. And you're allowed to sit, as long as there's someone there to supervise, you're allowed to get in and sit in Foxanne. We've cleaned the interior specially. And yeah, look, she's good to go. So well done, Foxanne. Thank you for making it. She's got some fine friends here. Look at these Reliant Regal super vans, and they aren't yellow. This pleases me so much. I get a little tired of the whole only fools and horses thing. Fine selection of cars here. This is Modern Classic Executive Cars Group. Furious driving fans will recognise Quentin. He's looking quite smart, isn't he? Quentin the Rover. Beautiful, these Rover convertibles. And a Vauxhall Signum here, which was kind of like an attempt to be posh by making a sort of hatchback limousine based on the Vectra. Not entirely successful, but very pleasant cars, I'm told, and a very colourful X-Type as well. But yeah, that's it. I don't want to give too much away yet. We will be having a more detailed walk around the show. This really is just like a preview to say, come to the show. And you will find me in Hall 4, you'll find Foxanne here in Hall 5. It's going to be splendid. It's going to be a really good show all 3 days. So yeah, thank you for watching. I shall see you in a future video. Farewell. Holy cow, a racing Javelin.